A Norcross, Georgia police officer was patrolling the area and saw what appeared to be a cop who was not authorized to work in the area. The officer thought it looked suspicious and decided to investigate. The officer approached Daryl Henderson and started his investigation.
Hey, just trying to figure out who you worked for.
Oh, Talbotton.
The city of Talbotton?
450-10-8.
Okay. Y'all got a part-time in here?
No, I just work for this crew, wherever they go.
Okay. That's not a city I'm familiar with. I didn't know we had part-time jobs from another...
Yeah, we work everywhere.
Where is that at?
Talbotton, South Georgia.
I'm not trying to make a big deal out of it.
Yeah, we work all over.
It's just super strange because it's usually either us or it's Yeso.
I mean, y'all can do it. It's just that wherever they go, all over the state, I go.
Yeah. You just got your like police ID.
Yeah.
Just put everybody at ease, and we'll.
Yeah, I go everywhere.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, I just go everywhere, man, doing traffic.
So it's a city.
Yeah, city of Talbotton.
And you're
I actually retired from the cab with it, just to have my certification.
all right.
Just the city of Talbotton.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
Do you work there, or you just only do this?
I work there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Reserve, the reserves are everywhere.
I got you.
I actually retired from the cab. But you want to have your certification. You can wear police on your jacket.
All right. Daryl Henderson. All right. Appreciate it.
Appreciate you, man.
Thanks.
Yeah, he actually, like, if they
Radio
gonna stay in this
131,
city, he was actually going to contact y'all to see if he could get some officers to work. I don't know if y'all work for their price.
Well, usually it's either us or it's the sheriff's department, or it's the Gwinnett County Police. I never seen someone from another state.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You never seen, what, like another department work on it, like Atlanta or Decatur? Really?
Gwinnett or us.
Oh, yeah. We do it all over everywhere. Norcross.
Okay. Okay. All right. Well.
Really that strange though? Yeah. We go everywhere.
Yeah.
Usually,
No wonder y'all say so. No, it's but he was actually like if they do more of it. I don't know if there's one job over here.
Or sheriff.
Yeah.
All right. Appreciate it.
Radio 151, unit code 4.
What do you think? Call Talbotton?
I mean, you could. You got his name.
151 confirming that was a code 4. You clicked out.
Code 4.
151.
I'm gonna take a look. I'm gonna take a look.
The body looks from Carter's great. More technical than us.
Talbot. The problem is the police car is a personal vehicle.
Yeah. Well, now, when we were in Atlanta, we would be in our POVs. We would do a signal 8 and be in our POVs.
Talbotton, Georgia.
But, I mean, it would say Atlanta, we would have everything Atlanta on. And yeah, he has a badge.
Look at that. Their reviews are better than us.
Huh?
Their reviews are better than us.
Well, why is he all the way, where is that?
I don't know.
Why is he all the way here? That's what I don't understand.
Yeah.
And why didn't the place that's doing the job have either us, county?
Hello? Oh, it's right.
Who's coming over here?
Hey, this is Sergeant Lindsay with the Norcross Police Department. Hey, I was just calling because we're out with a police officer that says he works for Talbotton Police Department. I was just trying to confirm he worked for you guys. Yeah, he's directing traffic in our jurisdiction, which is pretty strange, and I was just confirming that he was a police officer that works for you guys. This is Daryl Henderson. No problem.
151 unit code 4.
Code 4.
151.
5 on the highway on Curtis Tag single, Gulf Charleston. 5560. Forward exit.
10-7. 131. 427, signal 89.
So he's no longer a police officer there?
427.
Okay. February 8th?
5950,
All right.
Hickory Springs Drive.
Thank you.
427.
Hey, so
You were actually supposed to be out the street, so
I just talked to them and they said you were terminated February 8th.
oh man, I'm reserved. Terminated from part-time?
Like you don't work for them as a
really?
police officer.
Damn.
So
Man,
what's going on with that?
I actually went to reserve from part-time. From part-time to reserve.
So who can we call?
I guess nobody now. I'm terminated.
Come on, man. That was like a week ago. It's like 10 days ago.
Yeah, I guess nobody. Damn.
So who are you working for now?
Huh?
Who are you working for right now?
Just under my own certification now.
Okay. I don't. But you identify yourself as a police officer for that city.
I really don't have to put this stupid vest on, man. It still got the patch on there.
Okay. So you're lying to me then.
Huh?
So you were lying to me then.
No, I'm actually reserved for them, but I guess they terminated me.
No. You.
That's lying. That's the part that he's saying that you're lying about. That you knew that you were terminated, but you're acting under the
Right,
that you
okay.
work for them,
All right.
correct?
What are we supposed to do with you?
431.
That's just I had an accident, man. I had an accident. Really hurt my leg like
How did you go work somewhere else?
Man, I just don't want to lose my house.
somewhere else.
I am, but man, I just don't want to lose my house, man. I'm serious, man.
151 unit code 4.
Yeah, I'm serious. I just
You got your ID on you?
I was just in a bad spot, man.
Hey, did you want-
I got
049
bad spot.
292.
That's fine and everything.
721.
I mean, that's cool. But don't
138 to 151. Also be advised that subject, there's a vehicle. There's also
officer. You have to be for a normal officer. You got to be truthful.
138 to 142. Just be advised that just had that vehicle.
And navigator burn. Returning
You
zero.
just lose my house.
beginning, this has been a lot easier. If you've been straight with me from the beginning, this has been a lot easier. I gotta kind of force my hand at this point. I mean, I gotta
Start all over with. Start all over with.
So we're gonna have to take you in for that. All right. Mind taking off your belt? Yeah, we'll handle all that. We're not like in a hurry. I'm not mad at you, okay? It's not the first one. I'm not trying to embarrass you. Like, I'm not trying to embarrass you.
I'm trying to do what I need to do to live. I'm trying to do what I need to do to live.
You got anything else on you?
No.
Alright, just go over in the car. We're just gonna pass you down here real quick.
131 negative, return through all 29 still negative.
You okay? You want to put your palms together? You okay? You want to put your palms together?
Yeah.
We'll put two on you. I'm just gonna make sure you're not. Still on the side. Let's go on the side.
Okay, let's just work it in. Moving 129 negative, running traffic.
Yeah, that's fine. Just pay attention to the lights, okay?
Freedom 109 still for.
Is this yours?
Yep.
Okay.
Four 27, 1028. 427. Charlie Sierra, Quebec 8372. CSQ 8372. 427.
What's that? I don't know. This is all going to be evidence, I think. Well, I'm gonna wait. That's his car.
442, 10
It was over there a second ago. When the hell did he move it? I literally just did a loop. I guess he moved it.
Freedom 131, your signal 12 returns out of North Carolina. Negative 29, expired registration, 2007 Toyota Tundra truck.
just gotta assume this is all uniform stuff.
Yeah.
We may just ask him to dress down when he gets there if he's got anything else for that city on there.
Yeah. I mean, he's got the police.
Right, 427, 29 negative, through Georgia, 2021 GMC Sierra, to a company out of Sugar Hill, acting up. Thank you.
Let me take his hat, police hat.
Yeah.
450 to radio.
And then the
450.
that shirt, if it's like looks like it belongs to the city, then we'll need to
Audi
take that too.
26 at 3855 Pleasant Hill Road. 450.
Hey, who's his boss? The boss? Right here? Hey, you in charge here?
Yes, sir. We're trying to hear the. What we're doing today is fiber. What we're doing today is fiber optic installation.
Okay.
And
you're doing this for Georgia or Atlanta Gaslight or what?
no, Atlanta Gaslight is supervising us, and this is why we have our officer here today. Because
Who hired that officer?
we did.
Okay.
Yes.
How'd you get in touch with him?
There's a guy downtown that he's an officer for Georgia Power,
Okay.
and he's the one that arranged him to be out here with us today, providing us. Like we need an officer when we're at a light. That's how we hire him.
Well, him doing security's no problem. The issue was he was wearing a uniform that said he was a police officer.
Okay.
And then when I asked him about it, he told me he worked for a city that he doesn't work there.
Okay.
And so I mean, we got no choice in the matter. I gotta take him to jail for that.
Oh.
So he identified himself as a police officer for some other city.
And that's what we hired a police officer. That's what
Right.
we did, yeah.
So I guess you're just gonna have to call whoever that is that you hired, have to send someone else to you. We got to take him out of here.
And in the meantime, what do you guys suggest we do then?
Henderson was charged with impersonating a police officer.